Hello and welcome to a special Monday edition of the Daily Market Update. My name is, of course, the General Stone. I do work for the phenomenal GOptions.com, the world's finest binary options trading platform. Joining you a little bit later than planned this Monday. As you might expect, Mondays tend to be a very busy day for me indeed, trying to catch up from the weekend and, of course, the close of that late Friday session. Very simple report from me today. I'm focusing it just on what matters right now, which is everything to do with the US. So let's get into it. Target right now, USA reports galore. Looking at the economic calendar, if you guys don't know already, click on Learn inside the GOptions platform. On the right hand side, we have our own dedicated economic calendar. Check it out. You can see every single economic report, what's forecast, what actually comes in, and what's expected. Phenomenal stuff. Having a look at what we've actually got on the table, what we've just already had, the USA home sales report. What is this exactly? It's an economic indicator in terms of like a thermometer style. It's showing us how many new home sales they have in the US right now. It's a phenomenal thermometer to the US economy. Home sales are good, positive, or coming as expected. US dollar rises in value. They come in under what's forecast or under what's expected. Very bad news indeed, especially due to the situation right now that we've just come out of, which was this whole government shutdown, debt ceiling crisis. End of the day, home sales, they were pretty damn good. We've seen the US dollar come sporadically sort of coming up the ranks in price. Looking at what else is there, we've got wholesale inventories, great thermometer on consumer confidence. If there's one way to find out if people are buying, if they're still purchasing, whether it's, sort of durable goods, which I also like, which is the more sort of luxury primary goods, cars, vehicles, boats and homes, or whether they're sort of just general wholesale goods, at the end of the day, it's a great indicator to consumer confidence in the US. What we've also got coming a little bit later for tonight, EIA crude oil stocks. Needless to say, this is a great strength indicator on the US dollar on itself. The price of oil, price of US dollar, the strength in both of these assets do tend to correlate together, and very important that you understand that these sorts of reports, not only at GOptions are we making them available for you guys up front, but if you do connect with us, this is why we've got our Skype and info here. Connect with us, let us show you how to use these reports, how they connect to the assets that you trade, but more importantly, how to take your opinion and earn some bloody money. Looking at the bottom over here, I've got in red because it is that important. The Fed budget tapering right now is actually fairly positive. This is where the Fed Reserve is playing with the future budget of the US, and they're trying to decide where to save some money, where to spend some money. So far, euro dollar right now is what I'm focusing on more than anything else. I've got here in red 10-minute trades, 1-hour trades, but more importantly, the ladder trades. Up to 1,250% payout is yours if you can get your opinion in at the right time. I'd say right now the movement of euro dollar is pretty much safe to say hour by hour that we're breaking down in the levels as that US dollar gains strength. So as you can see in terms of the hot pick for the day, just euro dollar in focus, looking at USD and US stocks both rising in a positive trend as we reported here, all pretty much down to the Fed budget being tapered, and looking at 10 minutes, 1 hour, but more specifically the ladder options. My name's been the General Stone. Of course, I've got some links for contact, binary-option-signals.com, the brand new GOptions exclusive automatic signal supermarket. Wishing you the very best of luck, and fingers crossed we'll catch up tomorrow. All the best.